An Outagamie County judge ordered a new trial today.
The judge saying that it's because of a problem with a juror that did not come to light until after the original trial. Now, at that original trial in May, a jury awarded Todd and Troy Merryfield $700,000. It found the Green Bay Catholic Diocese committed fraud by concealing information about former priest John Feeney and his history of sexual abuse. Fox 11's Beth Jones joins us now with balanced coverage. And Beth, what did the judge have to say today?
Well, Tom, Judge Nancy Krieger said in her ruling one of the jurors should have been removed from the case for what she calls a potential bias against the diocese. The diocese hopes a new trial will bring what it calls justice, but the Merryfields say it's a big disappointment.
It's back to square one when it comes to the Merryfield brothers' lawsuit against the Green Bay Catholic Diocese. In a phone interview, Todd Merryfield says he's disappointed and frustrated.
I can't believe that the bishop is still allowing the defense team to pursue us like this. Own up, take responsibility for what you did. The cover-up is going to be worse for your institution than the actual deed.
We're grateful for Judge Krieger's decision.
On the other hand, Deacon Tim Riley applauded the judge's decision.
Every organization should be able to receive a fair trial and with an impartial jury.
In the 11-page decision, Judge Krieger says the woman referred to as Juror 2042 should have expressed her potential biases prior to the May trial. After the verdict, the juror apparently told other jurors she had suspicions her brother may have been sexually molested by former priest John Feeney. He's the same priest convicted of molesting the Merryfields in their home in 1978. According to the document, the juror said to other jurors in the courthouse parking lot that he, Feeney, has probably done this to many boys. The juror went on to say she knew the priest gave the boys alcohol, and her brother was one of them. A fellow juror brought those statements to the attention of Judge Krieger. The judge wrote, whether these thoughts were suspicions or a verified fact, they would affect her impartiality. Troy Merryfield's attorney John Peterson says the juror never brought her concerns forward because she didn't feel they swayed her opinion against the diocese.
Assuming that she felt, as she said, that this made no difference to her at all in terms of serving as a juror, why would she bring it to the court's attention?
The diocese continues to deny the allegations of fraud and knowledge of abuse. Riley did apologize to the Merryfields for what they had to endure.
The clergy sex abuse scandal within the church is a terrible black chapter within the history of our church that will never be forgotten.
We tried to find out who Juror 2042 was. Those in the Outagamie County Records Department told us the file with the names is sealed and cannot be released. A date for a new trial has not been set.